You may be an expert shooter, but if you don't know where your best targets are, you are probably as good as a beginner. As a sales or marketing professional, you know that there are huge opportunities in doing business with emerging, fast-growing companies. But how do you target the best ones in an ocean of such firms? Do you scan through millions of small and mid-sized companies? Or would you like to go for a platform that helps you cherry-pick fast-growing firms? Zilligence helps you do just that. Zilligence is an AI-driven B2B platform that features thousands of well-funded and fast-growing companies. For each company, numerous data points are gathered and assessed by us to give you meaningful business insights on key metric, developments, funding, and others. We provide multiple filters to build customized lists. To help you prioritize the targets, we also show you each company's relevance match to your profile and its growth score. You can shortlist and connect with the companies you want to do business with. Want more? Ask for custom research for deeper insights. So what are you waiting for? Spot the next big thing before your competitor does with just a click. Try Zilligence today.